Is Blinzador Antifungal Spray the miracle fix for stubborn fungal infections or just another overhyped product built on bold claims? Let's dig into what we found so you can make an informed decision. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Blinzador markets itself as a powerful antifungal spray promising relief from skin irritation, itching, and infection using natural ingredients. The website looks sleek with strong language about scientific backing and rapid relief, but here's the reality. There is no Trustpilot or Reddit reviews, and according to malware tips, Blinzador uses marketing tactics that closely mirror many supplement scams, flashy ads, and verifiable testimonials and vague clinical language with no actual clinical evidence. There are no peer-reviewed studies, published research, or FDA approvals associated with the product. Key details like full ingredients lists and potential side effects are glossed over or buried in fine print. Now, Blinzador antifungal spray raises more questions than it answers. With no verified reviews, no clinical data, and red flags in its marketing approach, this product feels more like a high-risk gamble than a reliable remedy. If you're dealing with persistent fungal issues, your best bet is still evidence-based treatments and professional medical guidance, not miracle sprays with shady backgrounds. Now, have you tried Blinzador or a similar product? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more no BS health product breakdowns.